If your fireplace won't draw smoke properly, it's probably time to sort out some chimney and flue stuff before you get overwhelmed by smoke in your living room. So, first off, make sure your chimney and flue are clean. Like, years of soot and creosote buildup can totally block airflow and cause smoke to back up into your house. Next, check the damper position. If it's not fully open when you light a fire, smoke has nowhere to go but inside. Also, think about your chimney height. If it's too short or surrounded by tall trees or buildings, the draft won't work right. You might need to extend it to improve airflow. Another tip is to use dry, seasoned wood because wet wood creates more smoke and less heat. If you're lighting the fire, try crumpling newspaper or using kindling to get a hotter flame faster, which helps the smoke rise properly. Keep doors and windows slightly cracked to allow air circulation, which makes the fire pull better. Lastly, consider installing a chimney cap to prevent downdrafts caused by wind pushing smoke back inside. One of the biggest issues with fireplaces that don't draw smoke well is clogged chimneys. Cleaning the chimney regularly can fix this problem completely. Another common mistake is leaving the damper partially closed, which blocks airflow. Just open it fully before lighting your fire. A third frequent problem is having a chimney that is too short or improperly placed, leading to poor draft. Extending the chimney height or removing nearby obstructions can solve this for good. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners trying to find trusted local contractors who actually know what they're doing with chimney and fireplace repairs. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people looking for reliable home improvement work, making sure everyone wins.